वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुश्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथं नितं तं स्वजीवं स्वाद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखानितांश्च ॐ ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। मुखं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुलङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। नमोऽयं विष्णुपदाय आचार्यसिंहरूपिणे श्रीमद्भक्तिप्रज्ञान केशवयति नामिने अतिमत्रचरित्राय शाश्रितानञ्च पालिने जीवदुःखे सदात्राय श्रीनाम प्रेमदायिने नमोऽयं विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिसिद्धान्त सरस्वतीति नामिने वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपति गोपेश गोपिका कांतो श्री राधा कांतो नमस्तुते। तप्त कंचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। हे वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिप्रदे देवी सत्त्वत्वै नमो नमः। हा श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हे गुरुदेव हे गुरुदेव बर कृपा करी गौरवन माझे गद्रुमे दिया संस्थान। गुरुदेव बर कृपा करी गौरवन माझे गद्रुमे दिया स्थान। बड़ कृपा करी गौरवन माझे गद्रुमे दिया स्थान। आज्ञा दिला मोरे এই ব্রজে বসি, আজ্ঞা দিলা মোরে এই ব্রজে বসে হরি নাম কর গান, হরি নাম কর গান। বড় কৃপা করি গৌরবন মাঝে গদ্রুমে দিয়াছ স্থান। বড় কৃপা করি গৌরবন মাঝে গদ্রুমে দিয়াছ স্থান। হে গুরুদেব দয়াল হে, কিন্তু কবে প্রভু জগতায়ার পিবে হে দাসের দয়া করি। কিন্তু কবে প্রভু জগতায়ার পিবে হে দাসের দয়া করি। আমার চিত্ত স্থির হবে সকল সহিব, চিত্ত স্থির হবে সকল সহিব, একান্তে ভজিব হরে, একান্তে ভজিব হরে। গুরুদেব বড় কৃপা করি গৌরবন মাঝে গদ্রুমে দিয়াছ স্থান। বড় কৃপা করি গৌরবন মাঝে গদ্রুমে দিয়াছ স্থান। হে গুরুদেব দয়াল হে, শৈশব যৌবনে জরা সুখ সঙ্গে অভ্যাস হইলা মন্দ। শৈশব যৌবনে জরা সুখ সঙ্গে অভ্যাস হইলা মন্দ। আমার নিজ কর্ম দোষে এ দেহ হইল, নিজ কর্ম দোষে এ দেহ হইল ভজনের প্রতিবন্ধ, ভজনের প্রতিবন্ধ। গুরুদেব বড় কৃপা করি গৌরবন মাঝে গদ্রুমে দিয়াছ স্থান। বড় কৃপা করি গৌরবন মাঝে গদ্রুমে দিয়াছ স্থান। হে গুরুদেব দয়াল হে, বার্ধক্যে এখন পঞ্চরোগে হাত কেমনে ভজিব বল। বার্ধক্যে এখন পঞ্চরোগে হাত কেমনে ভজিব বল। কাঁদিয়া কাঁদিয়া তোমার চরণে, কাঁদিয়া কাঁদিয়া তোমার চরণে পড়িয়াছি সুবিহাল, পড়িয়াছি সুবিহাল। গুরুদেব বড় কৃপা করি গৌরবন মাঝে গদ্রুমে দিয়াছ স্থান। বড় কৃপা করি গৌরবন মাঝে গদ্রুমে দিয়াছ স্থান। বড় কৃপা করি গৌরবন মাঝে গদ্রুমে দিয়াছ স্থান। বড় কৃপা করি জয় গুরুদেবা জয় গুরুদেবা জয় গুরুদেবা জয় গুরুদেবা। गुरु गुरुदेव वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। ओहे वैष्णव ठाकुर दयार सागर ए दासे करुणा करी। ओहे वैष्णव ठाकुर ओहे वैष्णव ठाकुर दयार सागर ए दास करुणा करी। ओहे वैष्णव तब दिया पद छाया शोध हे आमार तोमार चरण धरी। दिया पद छाया दिया पद छाया शोध हे आमार तोमार चरण धरी। दिया पद छाया ओहे वैष्णव ठाकुर दयार सागर ए दासे करुणा करी। ओहे वैष्णव ठाकुर छय बेगदमी छय दोष सधी छय गुण देह दासे। छय बेगदमी छय बेगदमी छय दोष सधी छय गुण देह दासे। छय बेग छय सात संग देह हे आमारे। छय सात संग देह हे আমি বসেছি সঙ্গের আসে বসেছি সঙ্গের। ওহে বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর দয়ার সাগর এ দাসে করুণা করি। ওহে বৈষ্ণব एकाकी आमार नाही पाए बल हरि नाम संकीर्तने। एकाकी आमार एकाकी आमार नाही पाए बल हरि नाम संकीर्तने। एकाकी आमार वैष्णव तुम्हें कृपा करी श्रद्धा बिंदु दिया। तुम्हें कृपा करी श्रद्धा बिंदु देह कृष्ण नाम धने। देह कृष्ण नाम ओहे वैष्णव ठाकुर दयार सागर ए दासे करुणा करी। ओहे वैष्णव कृष्ण से तुम्हार कृष्ण दीते पर तुम्हार सकती आछे। कृष्ण से तुम्हार কৃষ্ণ সে তোমার, কৃষ্ণ দিতে পারো তোমার শক্তি আছে, কৃষ্ণ সে তোমার। প্রভু আমি তো কাঙ্গাল, কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি, আমি তো কাঙ্গাল, কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ, আমি তো কাঙ্গাল, কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি, আমি তো কাঙ্গাল, কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ। ভাই তব পাছে পাছে, ভাই তব পাছে, ওহে বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর দয়ার সাগর, এ দাসে করুণা করি, ওহে বৈষ্ণব। ওহে বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর দয়ার সাগর, এ দাসে করুণা করি, ওহে বৈষ্ণব। জয় শ্রী কৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু নিত্যানন্দ, শ্রী কৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু নিত্যানন্দ। ভজ শ্রী অদ্বৈত গদাধর শিবাসাদি, শ্রী গৌর ভক্ত বৃন্দ, শ্রী অদ্বৈত গদাধর শিবাসাদি, শ্রী গৌর ভক্ত বৃন্দ, শ্রী কৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু নিত্যানন্দ, শ্রী কৃষ্ণ প্রভু নিত্যানন্দ। ভজ শ্রী অদ্বৈত গদাধর শিবাসাদি, গৌর ভক্ত বৃন্দ, অদ্বৈত গদাধর শিবাসাদি, নিতাই গুণমণি আমার, নিতাই গুণমণি, নিতাই গুণমণি আমার, নিতাই গুণমণি আমার, নিতাই গুণমণি, নিতাই নিতাই গুণমণি। প্রভু আনিয়া প্রেমের বন্যা, ভাষাই লয় বাণী, আনিয়া প্রেমের বন্যা, ভাষাই লয় প্রেম বন্যা লইয়া নিতাই আইলা গৌর দেশে, প্রেম বন্যা লইয়া নিতাই আইলা গৌর, প্রেম বন্যা লইয়া নিতাই আইলা গৌর দেশে, প্রেম বন্যা লইয়া নিতাই নমানি নিতাই আনিয়া প্রেমের বন্যা ভাষাই লয় বাণী আনিয়া নিতাই গুণমণি আমার নিতাই গুণমণি নিতাই দিনহীন পতিত মোর নাহি বাঁচে দিনহীন পতিত মোর নাহি ও ব্রহ্মার দুর্লভ প্রেম সবাকারে যাচে ব্রহ্মার আবদ্ধ করুণা সিন্ধু কাটিয়া মহান আবদ্ধ করুণা সিন্ধু কাটিয়া আজি ঘরে ঘরে মূলে প্রেম আমি আর বানা ঘরে ঘরে মূলে প্রেম আমি আর লোচন বলে মোরা নিতাই যে বানা ভজে লোচন যে বানা ভজে ও জানিয়া শুনিয়া সে আত্মঘাতী হইলা জানিয়া ভজ শ্রী কৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু নিত্যানন্দ শ্রী কৃষ্ণ ভজ শ্রী অদ্বৈত গদাধর শিবাসাদি গৌর ভক্ত বৃন্দ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে হে কৃষ্ণ হরে রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 মোর হরে রাম 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 হরে 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 হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল নিতাই গৌর হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল হরি কৃষ্ণ পদ কমলে মন মনে লোভিবে চরম शरण श्री राधा कमले मन भिवे चिरदिन करिया ओ चरण आस चिरदिन करिया ओ चरण आया छे बसिया अधम दास भज श्री राधा कृष्ण पद कमले मन भिवे चरम शरण श्री राधा कृष्ण पद कमले राधे हे कृष्ण चंद्र भक्त प्राण हे राधे हे कृष्ण चंद्र भक्त प्राण हे राधे हे कृष्ण चंद्र भक्त प्राण पामरे जो गला भक्ति कर दान पामरे जो गला श्री राधा कृष्ण पद कमले मन भिवे चरम शरण श्री राधा कृष्ण पद कमले भक्तिहीन बले ना करायो पेखा भक्तिहीन बले ना करायो आर मूर्ख जाने देहा शिक्षा मूर्ख जाने देहा ज्ञान विषय पिपासा प्रपीड़ित दासे विषय विषय पिपासा प्रपीड़ित दासे विषय प्रपीड़ित देहाधिकार जुगल विलासे भज चञ्चल जीवन शतप्रवाहिया चञ्चल जीवन शतप्रवाह कालेर सागरेवामृत कर हो प्रिया प्रेम मत करी मोरे प्रिया सोना निज गुण गान भवन्तम वन्दे कृष्ण हे कृष्ण देव भवन्तम वन्दे यद्यपि समाधिषु विधिरपि पश्यति न तव न खगमरीति यद्यपि समाधिरपि पश्यति न तव न खगमरीति इदमिच्छामि निशमतवाच्युत तदपि कृपाद्भुतवीचे इदमिच्छामि निशमतवा कृष्णदेव भवन्तं वन्दे कृष्ण ओ मनस मधुकर मर्पया निज पद पंकजमकरन्दे मनस कृष्णदेव भवन्तं वन्दे कृष्ण भक्तिरुदञ्चते यद्यपि माधव न तयि मम तिलमात्रे ओ परमेश्वरता तदपि तवाधिक दुर्घट घटना विधात्रे कृष्णदेव भवन्तं वन्दे कृष्ण ओ मनस मधुकर मर्पया निज पद पंकजमकरन्दे मन कृष्णदेव भवन्तं वन्दे अयम विलोलतया दशनातन कलिताद्भुतरसभारम् अयम विलोलतया दशना कलिताद्भुतरस निवासतो एतमृहामृतनिन्दिने बिन्दन मधुरिमसारम् निवासतो बिन्दन मधुरिम हे कृष्ण देव भवन्तं वन्दे कृष्ण ओ मनस मधुकर मर्पया निज पद पंकजमकरन्दे मन भवन्तं वन्दे। हे कृष्ण देव भवन्तं वन्दे वन्दे। जय जय राधारमण हरि बोल। जय जय राधारमण हरि बोल। राधारमण हरि बोल। जय जय राधारमण हरि बोल। जय जय राधारमण हरि बोल। राधारमण हरि बोल। जय जय 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 राधारमण हरि बोल। जय जय राधारमण हरि बोल। जय राधारमण हरि बोल। जय जय राधारमण हरि बोल। राधारमण हरि बोल। जय जय 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 राधारमण हरि बोल। राधारमण हरि बोल। जय जय राधारमण हरि बोल। राधारमण हरि राधारमण हरि बोल। जय जय राधारमण हरि बोल। ओ हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि 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 बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल राधा रमण हरि बोल जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल राधा राधा रमण हरि बोल जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल राधा हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल राधा रमण राधा रमण हरि बोल जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल राधा रमण हरि हरि बोल 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 राधा रमण हरि बोल जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल राधा रमण हरि बोल जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल राधा हरि बोल जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल मुकुंद हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल मुकुंद माधव गोविंद बोल मुकुंद मुकुंद माधव गोविंद बोल मुकुंद माधव गोविंद बोल मुकुंद माधव गोविंद बोल मुकुंद माधव हरि हरि बोल मुकुंद माधव हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल मुकुंद माधव गोविंद बोल मुकुंद माधव गोविंद बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि मुकुंद माधव गोविंद बोल मुकुंद माधव मुकुंद माधव गोविंद बोल मुकुंद हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि बोल हरि बोल मुकुंद माधव गोविंद बोल मुकुंद माधव गोपी जन वल्लभ जय गिरिवरधारी जय गिरिवरधारी जय गोपी जन जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी जय यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यशोदा जीवन ब्रज जन रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यशोदा जीवन ब्रज जन रंजन Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Rama Rama. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरत्विषे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालयै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमः। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे तं न मां चरणान्तिके। Today I think is a very fortunate day for us all. We have come from India, especially from Vrindavan, to preach the same thing with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, which Krishna and Radhika himself are all our disciple Guru came to this world to preach the same mission. In this world, I think all wants to be happy. Anyone of this world don't want to be unhappy. And that happiness also should be unmixed with any sorrow, sufferings. We like it. This is called Ananda. We like Ananda. You know Anand, the word? Anand means happiness. But this Anand cannot come without prem, love and affection. So, happiness and love is same thing. Pure happiness of life, pure love and affection we want. But we see that in this world, sometimes very little happiness or affection comes, but comes with mixed with sorrow and sufferings. We don't want to be old. We don't want that our hair should be white. We don't want that we should see less or we should become blind. We want that we should be always young and young. So beautiful. But after some time, you will be old, forcibly, whether you want or not. Oldness will come and marry us very fast. We want to marry, but not to any old lady, or which she is not so beautiful, ugly. But oldness is ugly. And anyone will not like to marry her, but forcibly she marries. You want or not. Your teeth will go away. Whether you are taking नकली दांत, नकली नहीं जानता है नकली क्या? Not real, unreal.
False teeth.
That teeth. We can take some medicine to make our hairs, grey hairs or white hairs black. Also, very beautiful cheeks will have so many, like old persons,
Wrinkles.
wrinkle,
Wrinkles.
wrinkle, wrinkle, shrink. So, we'll have to be old and marry oldness. And one day we cannot walk. So many persons will come and help me to go to last stage, to where grapes are burning.
Crematorium.
No? So many persons will come. In India, thousands of persons taking that dead body, go to funeral place, place, and they burn it. If you will not burn, if you will burn it, it will be ashes. If you will not burn, then so many wild dogs, jackals, hawks, and all will come, and they will quarrel for that. This is mine, this is mine. Why you came? Huh? And it will be like disturb. It's like a stool. And if they will not touch, then so many worms and insects will, this body will become. In the last stage, it will bound to be like so. So we should think from where the soul has come. Whether we are soul or this body. It is a fundamental truth that this body is not so. There is so much difference between our soul and this body. And knowing this, we'll have to be detached somewhat from worldly luxuriousness. And after that, we'll have to know we are the part and parcel of Godhead, Supreme Personality of Godhead. We are not we have come here as a refugee here. You know refugee? Refugee. Not our own land. So this world is as a place of refugees. We'll have to give up this world one day. Whether you want or not want, he will vacate you in a moment. So where to go? If you have no affection for Supreme Personality of Godhead, who has created this world, who is brought up and supporting this world. And after this world is old, then goes into him. He is God. What is the meaning of God? G, generator. O, operator, who operates whole world. Without his, sun cannot shine, earth cannot stand, world will be of nowhere. So he is operating. And D, destroyer also. He is God. He is Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. Know this meaning? I know, I think that Tamil persons can know. Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. He did not die, he did not take birth. He is eternal. God is one. God is not so many one. In Vedas it had been written, in Vedas and all scriptures in India, that Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. He has so many names, he has so much power, infinite power. He is so beautiful. Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. Anyone like beautiful thing. But if a beautiful man, person or thing has some poison in it, we cannot love. We cannot want. No. So it must be Satyam, Shivam. Shivam means Kalyanakari. Auspiciousness. He should be merciful. He should be almighty and so much beautiful. Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. There is none beautiful like Krishna. A boy, very beautiful, three-folding, playing on floor, smiling somewhat, fragrance coming from his body. He attracts everyone, whether cows, whether anyone in this world, he attracts everyone. So Krishna is so much beautiful, he is so much merciful, and he is सब समय के लिए नित्य है, eternal. Everything in Krishna. He can fulfill all kinds of wishes. We know Nrsimha Bhagavan, he is God. He is powerful, but he is not beautiful like Krishna. You know, he has his head like lion and very dangerous. Ram is so beautiful, but he cannot fulfill all the things. Jesus Christ is powerful, but he will only like father and mother, not like husband, not like a Shakha. Shakha means friend. Nrsimha Bhagavan cannot be like a friend because he is so dangerous. But he protects all. But not so much beautiful like Krishna. So Krishna is unparalleled, beautiful, unparalleled, but Shivam, merciful, having all the good qualities, and so beautiful and omnipotent.
Omniscient.
Huh.
Omnipotent, omniscient.
You should take my mood because my English is not so good. Very, very poor. I don't know how I am speaking. So, Krishna can fulfill all the wishes we have. Anyone cannot do like this. No. So, if you have a little affection for him, honor for him, he can fulfill all our things. So he is our Supreme Personality of Godhead. Even what Ramchandra cannot give, Krishna can give everything. So if we have some affection and love for Krishna, then we may be so happy for all times, also for coming times also. Here also and next birth also, and after birth if we have salvation, liberation, then also. So we should try to have affection with Krishna, with God. He is embodiment of love and affection. And the way the gopis of Prabhu love him is the best way. For this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to this world. He is himself Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But for mercifully, because he is causeless. He is causeless, merciful. He loves all of us. Because we are part and parcel of him. So he came to give these things. You cannot be happy if you are not coming towards Krishna. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to this world to give these things. He tried to detach us from the worldly affairs, worldly enjoyments, worldly false egos and false happiness, and to give that kind of eternal bliss and eternal love and affection, so that you can easily be happy and you can be peaceful, otherwise no. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, at that time he took sannyas order. Renounce order. You know renounce order? Gave up his wife, children, everything. And he took sannyas and left everything, his mother, old mother, his wife, very newly married, Vishnu Priya Devi, all weeping there and lamenting. He went to Jagannath Puri and he went to South India up till Kanyakumari. He moved everywhere and give all these things to persons. And he made all bhakta means devotee. Then he returned to Puri and he wanted to go to Vrindavan. You know Vrindavan? You have been. Very decent place, very beautiful. Krishna as Krishna. Flowing Jamuna so straightly, all kinds of best flowers, belly, chameli, jui, lotus fields, flowers and all. Very calm and quiet. Cool breeze always blowing, going on. Wanted to go and to meet Krishna as a mood of Radhika. He was coming to Vrindavan on the path of Ganges and Jamuna, because Jamuna comes from Vrindavan to Prayag, and it meets to Ganges, and from Ganges now coming to Navadvip, Calcutta, and at last in Bay of Bengal. So there was only path to go to Vrindavan by the side of Ganges. He was coming, but it was mere bahana tha.
Excused.
और बोलो सब. It was only a trick. No? He wanted to meet Rupa and Sanatan, very learned persons, young personality, so qualified person. And they lived at the bank of Ganges, and they were prime minister and private secretary of the king, Mohammedan king Hussain Shah. They met with Rupa and Sanatan and told, don't waste your time. I am going to Vrindavan. I am now returning to Jagannath, but after some time I will go to Vrindavan. You should come to Vrindavan. And I want to be with you, hearing Hari Katha, Krishna Katha. How he was in Vrindavan, what pastimes he played, what is written in Srimad Bhagavatam and Gita. We will discuss all these things. They were ready. Gradually they become detached from the kingdom and all these things. And at last Rupa Goswami first went to Vrindavan, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was not present there, so he was returning. He gave up his all kinds of worldly things, all property, all money, everything. Then why he gave up? You know that if Krishna has given birth, he has given everything for us. And if sorrow is coming without wanting, unhappiness is coming without wanting, then everything will come also. Money will come, praise will come, everything will come. So we don't want to waste our time. Rupa and Sanatan thought, and Rupa Goswami went to Vrindavan, but he was returning back because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was not there. In the meantime, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Benares, Prayag, and they met together there. Why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come to this world, Krishna has come to this world, taking the mood and beauty of Srimati Radhika to give something positive thing, love and affection to all kinds of persons, even to animals and trees. And when today we were walking in the field, I wanted to tell the devotee that you should try to chant Hare Krishna more loudly. But I was chanting, I missed. If you go anywhere, you can chant loudly, then trees, creepers, animals, insects, all will hear it. Whether they don't know meaning or no meaning, no harm. If you don't know the meaning of fire, even you will touch fire, it will burn you. Understand? It will surely burn. So you for chanting name, whether you know meaning or not, all animals, grasses and everything will hear, and they will, in their another birth, they will have associations of pure bhakts. And thus gradually they will develop their Krishna consciousness, and they will be liberated from this world. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave everything what is positive, like what is bhakti. What is bhakti rasa? Rasa means faith. So everything. And he inspired everything in his heart what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted to give the world, but he could not give. He inspired also Sanatana Goswami, Vaidhi Bhakti. You know Vaidhi Bhakti? That rules and regulations of bhaktis. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu especially gave devotion, bhakti, rasa, devotion and love. How it can be increased to God? How can we develop all these things? How a minus will come? Minus means
Possessiveness.
possessiveness to Krishna. Krishna is mine. God is mine. I am his. So this will come. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Vrindavan. No. He was coming from Vrindavan. And he told Rupa Goswami that you should go to Vrindavan and write books. Then he wrote so many books. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. What is bhakti? We have no pure conceptions of bhakti. What is bhakti? Swarup Goswami, in his book, in 4 parts, he wrote so many things about bhakti. What is bhakti? So if we will not know all these things, only we will distribute books, we will not taste in what is in that book, only distribution will not do. Only making temples will not do. We should try to make our heart temple where Krishna and Radhika should be here. This is positive thing. Only negative thing will not do. You know, vairagya, renounce, detachment. Only detachment will not do if there is not any positive thing. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami has tried. Srila Raghunath Goswami has all tried to give the positive thing. This is the main thing. If we don't know what is that positive, prem or love or affection, and we have no affection for Krishna, in chanting, in remembering the pastimes of Krishna, also remembering the pastimes of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how he was so merciful to Jagai and Madhai also. And in that time Jagai and Madhai were only 2. But in these days, very pure devotee are 2 only, and all others are Jagai and Madhai. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave this positive thing. We should try to take these positive things. Without positive thing, only detachment and negative things will not do. Even the 4 things, you know, Tinadapi Sune Chena, Tarorapi Sahishrununa, Amanina, Manadena, Kirtaniya Sadahari. You know the meaning? You should explain the meaning of this sloka.
Trinadapi Sunichena, that one should consider himself like lower than a blade of grass. Trinadapi Sunichena. Tororapi Sahishuna. Tororiva Sahishuna. one should be more tolerant than
More loudly.
one should be more tolerant than a tree. And amanina, manadena, one should not desire any kind of respect for himself, but he should give respect to all. Kirtaniya sadahari. In this condition of mind, then one can always perform Hari Kirtan.
But if anyone has three qualities, then all qualities, all qualities. But in positiveness, there is no love and affection for Krishna. He is not chanting, not remembering. Then what is the use of these four? Nothing, zero, cipher. Understand what I am going to tell? If all the qualities are there, but we have no Krishna bhakti, no affection for Krishna, we have no interest in chanting, remembering, then no use of all these things. Then we are like Mayavadi. Mayavadi, you know?
Monism.
Monism. So, if these four are not there, but Guru has given Hari name and he has given Diksha, initiation, and he is chanting, remembering something, but not possesses these four qualities in full, but by association these will come gradually. But if we have no trust for Krishna, we are not chanting Krishna, remembering Krishna. If four qualities are, all qualities, lakhs and lakhs qualities are there, but even like cipher, if one is in left side and 0 is in right side, then it is 10. No? And if 1 is there and after that 2 0 are given, 3 is 4, 5, 6, then it will come to lakh, more than lakhs and so on. But if you will take off 1 and lakhs 100 zeros, what is the
Value of
value of these lakhs zeros? Nothing. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come and his all followers have come to give this positive thing, how we can possess this. So he wrote first slok in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. What slok he wrote? Anna bhilasita sunyam Gyan karma dhanavritam Anukullena Krishnan Sheelanam Bhakti Ruttama. You should try to remember this slok. Very valuable slok. Not even written in Srimad Bhagavat, frankly written like this. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became very, very happy to hear all these things, sloks. So I like to explain something about this issue. One kirtan should be done to rest myself. Mahamantra you can do, or any, you know. Harmonium? You can play or he can play. Bong. Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanam. You are not remembering? Love. Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Then come on with me. We should try to explain that is sloka bhakti. Annabhilasita shunyam Gyan karmadhyanabratam Anukullena Krishna Anushīlanam Bhaktiruttama. Anukullena Krishna Anushīlanam Bhaktiruttama. Bhakti means to serve her. To whom serve? The personality, Supreme Personality of Godhead, that is embodiment of prem or prem, love and affection. Everything is so loving and tactful, Krishna. His eyes are crooked, his dish is so crooked. He gives invitation to all to come to serve Krishna. His speaking is so sweet. His dancing is so sweet. His talking is so sweet. His everything is sweet. His mother is sweet. His Sakhis are so sweet. His Vrindavan is sweet. His Jamuna is sweet. His father is sweet. Everything of Krishna is sweet. Especially the mouth is so sweet. Eye is very beautiful. There is not any उसके लिए उदाहरण नहीं दिया जा सकता.
No example.
We cannot give any example of this world. So beautiful, everything.
No comparison. कोई
No.
तुलना नहीं है. Comparison.
No comparison at all. All comparisons of poets have been felt there. How beautiful, sweet is Krishna. To serve Krishna is also so sweet. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come to give this sweetness to all persons, all creatures, not only to Hindu, not to only Muslims, even to animals, creepers, trees and animals and everyone. At that time a flood came from Navadvip, Mayapur, and it took in his stomach all world. What?
Inundation.
Huh?
Inundated the whole world.
Flooded all world. All Mayavadi, Karmi, Jnani, Yogi, Tapasvi, all were drowned in that flood. And that was Prem flood. Love and a flood of affection and love. Mayavadi at once ran away to Puri and to Kashi, but flood run up following them, and at last catch up and they drowned in that. It was a very beautiful thing at that time when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came. To give this sweetness of Krishna, because he was himself Krishna, and plus Srimati Radhika. So combined mercy of Radha and Krishna was in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is why he gave this prem, which is even by Brahma has not that. Shiva has nothing, that prem. And that prem he gave to all the person to whom he looked. They were walking in the street at Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and gave prem to them also. So he is telling to Rupa Goswami, and he wrote this verse: Anukullena Krishnanushilanam. To serve sweet Krishna by all the organs we have, hands, face, everyone, eyes, tongue, everything. By mind and also by mood. And after that, by soul, we can serve Krishna. So we will have to serve Krishna to please Krishna. But not only to please. Like Charun Mushti, they wanted to kill Krishna. But Krishna was so happy to wrestle with them that he wanted to taste this Veera Ras, mellow of fighting. Mellow of fighting, sweetness of fighting, he wanted to taste. Krishna became happy, but it is not bhakti. Yashoda was chastising Krishna, folding his hands, folding himself here and there, rebuking, chastising. Krishna was weeping, no mother, I will not do like this. And he was weeping. But yet it is bhakti. Because he wanted to make Krishna so strong, wise, and all things. So we should try to serve Krishna by all the organs we have. If you cannot, by mind you can do. By moods you can do. Krishna is my Priyatam. Priyatam means dear. Huh?
Most dearest.
Most dearest. Krishna is my son. Krishna is my friend. We can do it. I will explain it tomorrow, but I am giving little hint, that it will not be pure and developed unless we are giving up all the worldly desires. Anna Bhilashita. What is Anna Bhilashita Shunyam? We should not desire any worldly things, anything from Krishna by serving. He will please and give up all these things, what we want. I have no child, I want a child. Oh Krishna, give me one child. I am praying you. I am doing bhakti. This is not bhakti. No? If Krishna tells that you should, what you want, you should pray for that. Prahlad Maharaj told, I don't want anything. I am not a businessman. So bhakti is not a thing to be like a business thing. Give and take, give and take. To give ourselves everything in the lotus feet of Krishna. I am giving an example of Anna Bhilashita Shunya. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, newly married Vishnu Priya Devi. Vishnu Priya Devi was so lovely and so beautiful. And at that time in whole India, she was beautiful. She was not young, less than young, she was Kishori. Kishori, huh?
Teeny age.
Teeny age.
Teenage.
Going to be young, less than young, so beautiful, marvelous. Youngness, not so beautiful. Beautiful. But those who are going to be young, but not yet young, the girls so beautiful. So she was like a Kishori, very beautiful. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted to give up this world and to take renounce order, at very that day, he went to walk in his village. He went to villagers. Among them, there were some also milkmen, Gwala. Gwala, you know, go. Milking men. They gave Chaitanya Mahaprabhu milk. He went to Tambuli. Tambuli means those who make betel net. They gave betel net. He went to fruitsman. They gave so many fruits. Everywhere where he went, lovely they gave something, कोई not donation, क्या उनको उपहार दिया.
Present some.
They presented something. He took it all and came to his house. It was now evening. He told his mother that make a very delicious food of
Pumpkin and milk.
that
Pumpkin.
pumpkin milk and sugar. Giving karpur means
Camphor.
of camphor and so many things. She made it, she cooked it. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu offered to Krishna or Narayan, and he took and he kept something for his mother and wife. In the night, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to his wife. He had never gone to his wife, never met, always doing chanting Hare Krishna, weeping. Sometime falling down on the earth, rolling on the earth, always crying, where Krishna you are, where you are, always crying. But today he was turned something. Today he went to his wife in decorated form. He was taking battle net also, and with him there was a battle net. He gave from his own hand to Vishnupriya today, and he decorated his hair, gave flowers in his
In her hair.
what?
In her braid.
Praise.
Like Indian girls, they decorate their face with champak pushpa and other pushpas. He decorates her so much, and trying to speak, smiling something. But by this behavior, Vishnupriya was weeping, not so pleased. She was not happy. Why? Why he has done today, after so many 3-4 years, his marriage has been done, but he has not spoke with me. Always trying, weeping, Krishna. Why he became so? Today, in the morning, I went to take bath in Ganges. In the way, a stone was there, and my feet was what? Injured, and blood was coming. I was thinking why it is so, and when I went in Ganges and took bath, my nose ring
During marriage ceremony.
during the marriage ceremony which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has gave him, it was gone in river. She tried to search it, but not found. She was weeping, oh, my best thing in my life I have missed. What today will happen, I don't know. She came weeping to her
Mother-in-law.
mother-in-law, Sachi Devi, and began to weep. She wanted to
Console her.
She asked, why you are weeping so? She told that I have lost my life today. My marriage ring, nose ring, has been lost. I don't know what will be today. So she is thinking here, a lamp is going to be shut up, it goes on. What?
The kind of extremist lamb became flame became more and
No, you don't know.
Lamp is extinguished, it goes.
यदि एक लैंप जो बुझने को होता है तो वो ऊपर में उठता है, फिर धप धप धप.
Just before the lamp will go out,
Yes.
the flame will go high a few times.
So she is thinking like this. Today's Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, my husband, is loving so much. He is decorating by himself and try to speak smiling. But it seems something wrong. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, it was 12 in night. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ordered his Jogmaya that go on Vishnupriya and make her sleep. So sound sleeps you cannot know anything. So very sound sleep came by Jogmaya and she went to sleep. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu only short words her. Today I am giving up all things. All money, land, old mother, whole family, this new married wife, his pratishtha means
Him.
fame, everything he is giving up. And went to Ganges in the midnight. Mother Sachiva waiting on the door. She became like wood. She cannot move. Tears were dry. Heart was dry. What to do? She cannot think. Could not think. In separation mood, he became like wood, like dead body. She could not take her child, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave 3 parikrama of Sachima, 4, and he did pranam to Chaitanya mother. Mother could not bless him, nor he took embrace, not told anything. Like dumb he was seeing one day. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came out of his home. River Ganges was flowing sweetly. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, where Krishna you are, where? Without you, I cannot alive. And he jumped in the sea. Hare Krishna, Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna.
Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram.
He went to Kantak Nagari and took renounce order from.
Kesava Bharati.
So this is Anya Abhilash. If you want to serve Krishna and to please Krishna, you will have to be like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, like Vishnu Priya, like Sachi Devi. If you want to fully serve Krishna, where Krishna, where Krishna. This is called Anya Abhilashita. Rest we will discuss and explain tomorrow. गौर प्रमानंदे. हाँ, एक महामंत्र करो तब इसके बाद. Be prepared for आरती.